Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. Today we are talking about the digestive system. In this, we'll talk about the zinger burgers and the chili fries that we love to eat so much, and we'll see how they're absorbed within the human body. But before getting into that, we'll talk about the embryology of the digestive system, that is, how this digestive system is formed in a human fetus. In this lecture, we'll be talking about the embryology in 5 separate sections. These sections will include a first section on the overview, in which we'll see how the digestive primordium is formed and divided into foregut, midgut, and hindgut. In the second section, we'll be talking about the foregut derivatives, that is, what adult structure is actually formed by the foregut in the human body. Then, in the third section, we'll be talking about the duodenum. We'll see how a small tube moves to the right, attains C shape, and forms 4 different parts having different functions. In the fourth section, we'll be talking about the midgut derivatives, in which we'll see what adult structures are actually formed by the midgut loop, which was actually in communication with the yolk sac. And finally, in the fifth section, we'll be talking about the hindgut derivative. That is, what adult structures are formed by the hindgut in the human body. We'll also see how the mesentery comes into play and what sections of the mesentery are absorbed and what sections are actually kept in the human adult. I hope you're excited to learn more about this lecture. Keep watching sqadia.com.